Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious enchiladas rojas, step by step. First, let's create that incredible red chili sauce. You'll want to start by selecting about 6 to 8 dried chilies like ancho and guajillo for their rich, smoky notes. Rehydrate them in hot water for around 20 minutes until they are nice and soft. Then, blend these chilies with a few cloves of garlic, a quarter of an onion, and some aromatic spices. Finally, simmer your beautiful sauce for about 15 minutes to let all those wonderful flavors meld together perfectly. Now that our amazing sauce is simmering, let's prepare the heart of our enchiladas, the filling. You have many delicious options here, but shredded chicken or seasoned ground beef are classic choices. Cook your protein until it's tender and easily shreddable or crumbled. Then, mix it with about 2 cups of your favorite cheese, like Monterey Jack or a good melting Oaxaca cheese. A little finely diced onion or fresh cilantro can add a lovely burst of flavor. This combination will make every bite truly satisfying. With our sauce and filling ready, it's time for the fun part: assembly. First, gently warm about 12 corn tortillas. This makes them flexible and prevents tearing. Next, dip each tortilla completely into your rich red chili sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Then place a generous spoonful of your delicious filling down the center of each sauce tortilla. Carefully roll them up tightly and arrange them seam side down in a baking dish. You'll want to fit about 8 to 10 enchiladas snugly in a 9 by 13-inch pan. Finally, let's get these beauties ready for the table. Pour any leftover red chili sauce evenly over your assembled enchiladas in the baking dish. Then, sprinkle about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese generously over the top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some crumbled cottage cheese. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade enchiladas rojas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.